Brooklyn, no my place dog, but enough money they in my Bronx. Play sample man.
New York City lady.
Oh.
Me need them think when I'm outside and I lose it there.
Viewers and subscribers, wagwan, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have 450 at this up Jaii, plus we also have Alkaline and Vybz Kartel. So this review is one that you do not want to miss. Big up on yourself. Remember, leave a subscribe and leave a like. As always, make a jump right into it. So Valiant posted this on his IG and it says, keep going because you deserve to see what happens when all your hard work pays off. Keep going because you are stronger than you think you are. Keep going because every step forward brings you one step closer to your goals. Keep going because the best is yet to come. Signed by Diplomat. So big up to Valiant on a message like that, you know. Yeah man, big up the entertainer. Viewers and subscribers, him also drop his latest single, Real Life Facts. Only can go check it out. Yeah man, big up the entertainer Valiant, no joke. So 450 this up, Jaii. Viewers and subscribers, the entertainer released his latest single, Doors Off. And this up, Jaii. Yeah man, Brawling, Jaii, get it. And I'm going to show you the video so you see what go on. And you can also see Jaii Ambassador amid the music and a laugh when he reached the Jaii part. Viewers and subscribers, pre-war go on.
All day, up in on your pussy, me fuck you, me down play. Who they get? Me no kiss pussy like Frais. She take everything.
I want them to tell Bobby Sachs, me kiss it one time.
You eat front.
No.
Yeah.
So the G himself admit, say him kissed it, but him don't eat it. And you can clearly hear in the 450 song, the G a say, yo, him no kiss front like Frais. We don't know say a Jaii 450 attack. But I don't know if Jaii them are gonna take it as this, because I don't know say yo them him and 450 them link, you see me? So I don't know if them are gonna take it as this. But you don't know we out here are gonna look on it like a this 450 this Jaii. You see me? But Jaii don't say him do it. So me personally wouldn't look on it as a this if I was Jaii, because you don't say I do it. You see me? But yeah man, Jaii vibe to this song and him a laugh when it reach the Jaii part. You see me? Yeah man. So viewers and subscribers, only can go check out the G song, Doors Off. Yeah man. So as you can see, Vybz Kartel is set to perform at Reggae Fest massive Labor Day weekend at the Barclays Center. Yeah man, Friday, August the 29th. And you don't know Vybz Kartel perform at the Barclays Center already. So this is not going to be his first time. And you don't know the entertainer sold out the arena. So the Gaza fans them can look out for the teacher for touch back the Barclays Center. But upon the venue, we also have the Vendetta boss, Alkaline. Yeah man, the Vendetta boss I go touch the stage on Saturday, August 30th. I never thought I would see Alkaline and Vybz Kartel dip on the same show. But the thing is, they're not going to perform the same night. The teacher, Vybz Kartel, are going to perform the day before Alkaline for perform, which is the Saturday. You see me? Yeah man. So the Alkaline fans them can look out for that performance by the man himself. Yeah man. I never thought I would see Alka and Vybz Kartel dip on the same show and I go touch the same stage, but them not go touch it at the same time. You see me? But a big things I go and I can tell you that.
Brooklyn, no my place dog, but enough money they in my Bronx.
New York City lady.
Oh.
Me need them think when I'm outside and I lose it there.
So Malie done a show chronicler say yo him there in a New York, and you can clearly hear when chronicler say Brooklyn are in place but enough money there in the Bronx, and we don't know say chronicler always a talk about New York City. You see me? So Malie done walk through the streets. So basically, him a use a style where Squash will use, and when Squash say yo, him dey in them hometown. You see me? Yeah man, Malie done also made this post to his IG and it says, them know when me dey, a regular me out here. So that's basically him telling Chronicler, say you know say me dey in New York. And you know say me dey in the streets, because viewers and subscribers, Malie done is in Times Square. And everybody's supposed to know that Times Square is one of the most popular tourist attraction in a New York City. You see me? So a bit things are going between Chronicler and Malie done. So big up on yourself, like always, viewers and subscribers. They don't know, leave a subscribe and leave a like, and catch you in another one.